Yes, my boys, in this video I'm going to show you how the $10 converted into $100. Let's load the RISE file bot 1.7 version. Load the required things: number of trades, a token, key, broker API ID, and that amount. Now let's click on start. After clicking the start button, the bot will immediately start working background on your account. Our target is 10 trade with 9.53 return on $10 stack. You're gonna earn $100 from this route into the run within few minutes. In case if we lost any trade, it will be also visible here because it's in a live recording. We need to hit the half of 100 and very close to $100. Soon you're going to hit the $100 profit. Till now we have 0 loss. There's another single loss. All trades won by bot, and we made decent profit. And we are here to hit the $100 to the target, guys. If you guys want to have the system, check the description, chat our team. The guys will help you to have the system. Thanks for watching, my dudes. Today target has been done. Like, subscribe, follow, share. Enjoy the video.